Hi guys, my name is Tiffany Price and I am co-owner and lead designer for Lovebirds & Co. We're chatting today about the design process and planning and how our team brings the dream to life. Our goal is to get to know you as a couple. We want to know your love story. We want to know what's important to you, places that you've been, things that you love. What are your favorite colors? What sort of vibe do you want to create for your event? Events are so personal, especially weddings, and we really want your design to be an extension of who you guys are together, who you are as individuals, and who you will be as a married couple. How soon should you hire a planner? Well, we are pretty biased, but we're gonna say as soon as possible, and it's not necessarily for the reasons that you might think. Yes, planning teams do help you with the stress and the logistics, but we are also your liaison between your family and an incredible creative community in your area. I think getting a planning team on early reduces stress. It helps to sort of pull you guys out of your comfort zone because we're here to sort of help design and create an event that is memorable and personal and beautifully detailed, and also helping to match you with other creative professionals that can keep you on budget, on task, and also create an event that is absolutely 100% you.